Is that real fur?
What?
Is that real fur?
What's up?
Is that real fur?
Yeah, it is.
For real?
Are you sure with that?
You support killing animals?
Yeah, of course.
Why?
Why not? You can reuse it.
What do you mean?
Well, that's quite a bit of time. You can reuse it.
Right, but you skin the animal, right? Like an innocent animal.
I did it myself, yeah.
Yeah, you're fucked though, no?
Yeah. No, it's
a little bit.
No, you're definitely fucked.
Fucking out.
I'm sorry, they skin animals.
Oh, go for it. Go for it, bitch. You're fucking Subway, bitch.
Yo, they get straws too.
Yeah.
Kill the turtles!
Just out of curiosity, is everything you're wearing right now completely vegan?
Yes.
What does that mean? I didn't kill any animals to wear this. So.
No, for
really?
sure, but no animals were harmed in what you're wearing right now.
Correct.
Cotton is not.
Oh, that's amazing.
Great. Did cotton come from animals?
Coming to a corporation who kills
Come on,
animals
come
for
on,
this
man.
shit.
Think about it.
Hey babe, use your fucking brain. Use the coming for Subway.
Here, babe.
They kill animals.
Real fur. Real fur.
It is.
Real fur.
Oh my god, go and kill yourself.
Real fur. Yeah, do it.
Take one of me, please.
Right. Yeah, I'm getting a sub though. Yeah, for sure. Yeah. No, but we'll like make sure that it's not like
So
skin.
sorry, you actually agreeing with me because I don't give a fuck about these fucking assholes. They're nothing.
Okay, at the end of the day, man, it's
They're fucking
just
so
turn this shit
weird.
off.
No,
No, they're fucking
I'm not allowed to film that.
No, you're actually, buddy. Like, what are you recording right now for?
Please stop me, man. Please stop me, man. You're fucking so. I don't really give a
Here,
fuck. You think your friends are gonna fucking attack me? I don't give a fuck.
I'm just stating my opinion.
Okay, well.
You're attacking me, actually. You touched me, so I'm...
Oh, I'm
yeah,
so
but buddy,
sorry.
at the end of the day, man, we're coming here to get a sub at the end of the day.
Right, and I asked the question, right?
No, you didn't just ask a question.
I can replay it though.
Yeah, 100%.
It's a little fucked up to ask
Fuck
me.
up, you're gonna be so anti-talk vegan, man.
I can't say it.
I know, that's Jose. He's better than you.
How do you want
And that's the thing.
You can't say I'm better than him, dude. What are you talking
You're
about?
not better than him.
No.
You just said that to him.
No, I didn't.
You did, dude. Listen, dude. Hey.
Nah, man, fuck off, man.
Oh, come on, dude.
Nah, fuck off.
I'm giving you a handshake, dude.
Yeah, take your shit off, man.
No, like, yo,
Oh my god.
we're on fucking YouTube if I know, because I know you're recording. There's light is fucking recording right now.
YouTube
Peace out, bros.
Here's your 10 seconds.
Y'all have a good night.
Fucking
I was
hell.
not expecting that when we walked in there.
What the
We just
fuck
went to get a
was that,
sub.
dude? I hope he comes out, dude.
I'll fight that little faggot.
No, dude, I ain't like
I'll
we
fight
could take
that
it. We
little
could take that guy in the
fucking
glasses too. I was ready to go, dude. Holy fuck, boys! We can't even get a fucking sub around here, dude. Dude, I asked if it was real fur, dude.
Yeah, that's literally one question. You don't even have to. They reacted to that, bro. They like.
Man.